Hello, kindergartners. I'm out at the garden right where we planted some sunflower seeds, and you can see that the sunflower seeds have woken up. Remember, we put some water on them, they woke up, the seeds germinated, and now they are little tiny baby sprouts, and they're gonna grow and grow and grow into beautiful sunflowers. And I wanted to share this book with you called Sunflower. It's by Mila Ford and Sally Knoll. I hold a seed in my hand. It is white with dark stripes. Do you remember seeing the seeds before I planted them in the ground? Carefully, I place it in the ground. So remember, I planted the seeds in the holes there. Every day I water it. And guess what? Every day either I water or Miss Ava waters the garden. And every day the seeds get water. Every day I watch and wait. And then little green leaves. And you can see them right there. I've got little green leaves growing up from our sunflower plants. Up to my knees. Well, ours are not up to our knees yet, but pretty soon they'll grow up to our knees. Up to my nose. Sunflowers grow really tall, boys and girls. Over my head. They will be as tall as I am, maybe even a little taller. Big yellow petals face the sun. Seeds in the center. Treats for butterflies, treats for the birds. Treats for me. All right. Well, that's a nice little book about a sunflower. And these are our sunflower plants, and we're gonna watch them grow. All right. I wanted to give you a little tour of what's happening in the garden. So maybe 3 weeks ago, I planted some lettuce, and the lettuce has germinated. The seeds germinated, and they're growing, growing, growing. I planted some basil, and the basil are growing. There's some more basil. I planted some arugula, and the arugula is growing. This is the kale. My broccoli did not do very well. I just have a couple of little tiny broccoli plants. These are some cantaloupe plants, and they're growing. I've got some pepper plants. My tomato plants look awesome. Look at these. They look amazing. I've got some more tomato plants. There's our sunflowers. They're doing a beautiful job. They're growing and growing. More plants. More tomato plants. This is a zucchini plant. It's germinating and growing. I've got some green onion plants that are growing. I have some cilantro. And boys and girls, I have some beautiful carrots. Wow. The carrots are growing down in the ground. The roots are in the ground. That's the stem. And then are the beautiful leaves. All right, that's a little tour of the garden.